Dr. Adam Boonder here, and I am founder of Regenerative Treatment Centers, and I'm also an ex-athlete. I was a collegiate athlete, played football, ran track, did Olympic weightlifting, and so I am right now calling on all coaches, all trainers, anybody that's working with high-performance athletes right now that may be suffering from some sort of joint-related issue, whether it's a tendon tear, a meniscal tear, or something that may be holding them back from reaching their full potential. Right now, statistically, which we're holding right here, we can actually see that there's 1.4 million athletes in the US today that suffer from some sort of sports-related injury. 6% of those athletes, that's 84,000 of those athletes, have to go to have surgery. How is that gonna affect their future career? And even if they don't have to have a surgery, because they've had damage to that joint, that tissue, whatever it may be, their risk for injury is so much greater. So what am I doing? Why am I bringing this to you? Why am I speaking to coaches and trainers and you that are working with these elite athletes? Is because there is another option. And that option is regenerative therapy, regenerative procedures, where you can actually go in and you can actually help these joints, these tissues to regenerate and repair without the risks of surgery, without the risks of the next cortisone shot, which just weakens a joint, weakens that area, and increases the rate of injury down the road. Remember, these are young athletes. They may be college, they may be high school, but the truth is, let's give them the greatest chance that they have to perform at their highest level. That's ultimately what we want. Join us for this exclusive event. We're going to be teaching on the powers of regenerative medicine, how we can avoid these surgeries, and the amazing benefits of regeneration and not degeneration, getting them back to their performance.